Welcome to another Z-Hut tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use all of these different devices that are USB on your Android smartphone or tablet. All you need to use all these devices is a $2 USB OTG cable. These can be found on eBay, and I don't even think I paid quite $2. I think it was like $1.70 something with shipping. Dirt cheap. All you do with the cable is you plug it into where your micro USB port is. Now you can plug in your device like your mouse. You plug that in, it'll say up here keyboards connect. Now that also controls this keyboard, so instead of having to type on the little screen, you can use your keyboard. Otherwise, with the mouse, a little pointer shows up on the screen, and use it just like you would on your computer. Now you can also, if you've got a headset for your computer with the microphone, now normally you could just plug in the headphone jack and you could listen to music or whatever audio on it, but you couldn't use the microphone. This little USB sound card, you just plug in your mic, plug in your headphones, plug it in. Now instead of the music and audio playing on the speaker of the phone, it plays through here. And I haven't tried making a phone call, but I'm guessing it would probably work. You could use this to talk on the phone. But I have used a recording program with the phone, and it does work. Now you can also use your USB flash drives. You plug it in, and it brings up the file menu right there. You can transfer files from the phone to the USB flash drive or vice versa. You can also use an SD card reader, your SD card, and that just plugs in, and your card goes here. It works just the same as the flash drive does. You can also use USB game pads or joysticks. I've tried both of these on the phone and my tablet, and they both work on it quite well. It's a lot easier on some of the games and trying to control with the little joystick they have on the screen that you use your thumb on. I find these work much easier. And you can also, when you plug it in, it kind of works like the mouse. You can use the stick to move around on the screen, and I forget which button it is for select. I know on this the select button is the trigger. Now another device that you can plug into this, which I use quite a lot with my tablet, is the camera I'm recording on right now. It's just got that little 3-some-inch LCD screen on the back, and it does rotate so I can see what's on the screen when I'm recording, but it's not very big. Instead, I can plug this in, hook my tablet to it, and set my tablet down just out of the camera's view, and I can see everything that I'm doing. So I can make sure that everything's on the screen, not out of the frame. Now there are lots of other devices you can get that will work with this, and not all of them will work with all Android devices. I found pretty much everything I have here works on the tablet. I think the only thing I didn't try on my tablet is this USB sound card, but I know the mouse works and the keyboard and the joysticks and the card readers all work on it. And my camera, of course, because I use that's what I use it on the most. And there's lots of other devices that I'm sure will work. This is a Samsung Galaxy S3. So all of these will work with the S3, S4, S5, all that. And the tablet I have is an RCA. I offhand can't think of the model number, but it's less than 2 years old, I believe. And I don't know if anything like this will work with the iPhones. I think they're different. I don't have one, so I don't know. But like I said, $2, and it wasn't from overseas, so it didn't take a month to get it. I ordered it right in the United States and had it, I think, about 4 or 5 days later. And actually, I'm going to be ordering another one so I can have one for my smartphone, one for my tablet. Plus, I also have my old smartphone. And I've tried the mouse on it and the USB flash drive. I haven't tried any of the other stuff. It's an older Android, but those items work. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. So until next time, this is the Z Hut, and I hope you have a good day.